You may have observed your baby or child and noticed that their heart rate is a little bit higher than yours, or their breathing rate's a little bit higher, and maybe you've wondered if that's normal or not. And babies and children actually have higher heart rates than adults in most cases, and they also breathe faster than we do. And it just goes back to the size of their heart and their lungs. So, here's some normal ranges for babies and children to go by. And if your child is out of this range, or you're just concerned and have questions about it, especially if you're seeing other symptoms that are concerning to you, never hesitate to talk with your pediatrician. And they can actually take your child's vital signs, ask you more specific questions about your observations and concerns, and then give you tailored information and advice about it. So for a baby, a normal heart rate is anywhere between 100 to 200 actually while they're awake. While they're sleeping, their heart rate may be anywhere between 90 to 160. And as they get older, their heart rate does come down a little bit. Toddlers usually have a heart rate between 100 to 140, and then kids who are in preschool and those who are in elementary school usually have a heart rate between 80 and 120. In the adolescent years, it's about the time when they start to have the same heart rate as any other adult, somewhere between 60 to 100. When it comes to breathing rates, like I mentioned, babies especially will breathe faster than we do. Most babies breathe about 30 to 50 times per minute. Most toddlers breathe about 20 to 40 times per minute. And during the preschool years and the school-age years, it's normal for their respiratory rate to be about 20 to 25 breaths per minute. A teenage and adult norm is anywhere between 12 and 20. And so, again, if you're concerned about yourself or your children, talk with your doctor and they can give you tailored information and advice. If you have more questions in the future for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.